Okay, so I wasn't expecting to do what I'm about to do, this unboxing. And I'm sorry I'm so oily because, again, I wasn't expecting to do an unboxing today. So, last week, and I want to say last week, 42 Lolita contacted me and they were like, because remember, way back in March, I had the last Lolita thing I had talked about before I talked about the whole me being weirded out about my age situation was I did it was actually for TikTok where I talked about the odyssey of ordering the Brilliance of Gemstones. So, and how it was like a fiasco trying to get this dress together. So, last week, Lolita 42, I want to say last Monday, they were like, okay, your dress is in. Do you want to either wait for the tariff situation, which I will not rehash that because I am filled with rage every time I think about it, or we have a company that's willing to send this out to you right now. Do you want to do it right now, or do you want clarity? I was like, fuck that. I don't need fucking clarity. It's just gonna get stupider by the second. So just send me my dress. Just send it out. I don't care. It costs an extra $27. I'm like, in the grand scheme of the universe, what the fuck is an extra $27? I don't care. Send the dress. So they sent it. And they sent it with the caveat, it will be here between 20 something and 40 something days. And I'm just like, okay, well, I probably won't be getting this dress till the end of next month, possibly right before I go to Spain. Because I'll be going to Spain for my anniversary in September. It's here. A week. A week. I'm like, dude. I'm in my car with my husband today, going around running errands with him. I'm thinking like, I get a thing from 42 Lolita. They were like, oh, it's been some update on your shipment. And I was just like, oh shit, what the fuck? Like, I was thinking like maybe it was in customs or something. I don't know what I was thinking, but they were like out for, when I looked, it was like out for delivery. I'm like, the fuck? How fuck is it out for delivery? There's no way that's out for delivery. Like, they said 20 something to 40 something days. I'm thinking like late next month, early September. It is here. This is Mademoiselle Pearl's The Brilliance of Gemstones dress. And I'm like scared because I've gained weight and I don't know if I can fit this right now. And even if I can't fit it, I'm so glad to have this. Oh my god, I was so upset. This was all over Red Note. It was all over fucking Red Note. Every time I turned around. And then they were selling it on Red Note. I swear to fucking God, in the timeline that I'm supposed to be in, the normal human timeline, everything would have worked out. We would have had, Red Note would have been able to figure fuck out how to, sell shit to Americans, dumbass Americans like myself. Because seriously, on Red Note, you can order Lolita. They have like lives like they be having on TikTok where they sell you shit. They have lives of Lolita on Red Note. Can I buy shit straight off of Red Note? No. Why? Because I live in the fuckery timeline. I can't. I hate it here and I can't. Neither here nor there. So, let's unbox this. This bad boy got tape all over it. It's got tape everywhere. This is my address. Let me cover that up. Yeah, it's got tape everywhere. So, it's I might have to pause so I can figure out how to get through this tape. Because it's they were not trying to play. So, let me pause. Because it's going to take me like a while to get through this tape. Hold up. Bitch, I got to be like fucking Superman to get this open. I got it mostly open. Mostly cut open. I'm like struggling. Oh, Lord in heaven. Alright, there we go. this for you? Oh, a gift from Lolita 42. Or 42 Lolita. Y'all know what I mean. I have, wait a minute. It's got rubber bands on it. Okay. Okay. I don't know what this is. Like, I don't know what this is. I think it's just like a little thing because like I tried to like undo it and then like I took like the rubber bands off and then it got like weird. So I don't know what this is. It is cute, whatever it is though. Thank you, 42 Lolita. I owe y'all like my ass because seriously, the fuckery timeline is some shit, man. But I love it when they come with a dress bag. Oh my god. I love when they come with a dress bag. Oh my god. It is the most glorious thing. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is the happiest I've been in months. Oh my god, so gorgeous. Oh, I love you. I love you so much. Oh, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. You gorgeous, beautiful thing, you. I love you so much. Oh god. I love it. It's so gorgeous. See? Oh, you can't really see that. Like, it says Mademoiselle Pearl. Sorry, I have to have a ring light thing on. But I love you. I love you so much. What is this? Authentic, affordable Lolita. Yeah. They are going to be so invaluable in the fuckery timeline. I'm not even going to lie. Okay, let's unzip. Doesn't have a hanger, but I don't give a shit about that. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so lovely. Oh, it's so lovely. I love it so much. I do. Oh, look at how fucking fabulous this is. Gemstone. Little teeny gemstone. And another. Y'all were playing with my black ass when y'all said the brilliance of gemstones. Details that you cannot see when they had this joint on Red Note. Gemstone on this big ass bow up front. You were worth the struggle. Oh, you were super worth all the annoyance that I had to go through with my damn bank to get this dress. It's not exactly the blue I was hoping it would be. It's like a greeny blue. I hope this isn't the blue that makes it look like I died. Because there's a specific blue that's like a blue-green that if I put it on my body, I look like a corpse. I'm hoping this is not that. So, and even if it is, fuck it. I will figure out how to make my makeup work with it. Fuck it. I don't give a shit. I love it. I love this dress. I love this dress. I love everything about this dress. And I don't even know if I can fucking fit it because, like I said, I've gained a lot of weight lately. That's like hormone changes because I'm fucking 47. That's fun. I love that for me. But, god damn it, we gonna make this shit work. So, oh my god. Oh my god. I love this dress. I love the bag that it came in. Let me see if I can't hug my fat ass into this dress, and we will be back as soon as we can. let's just see something. Alright, you have to forgive the shoes and the socks, because I just put this on, but it fits perfectly. Oh my god, sorry you can't see my head. But, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So it fits perfectly. It has a little zipper on the side. As you can see, the zipper is zipped. It does have a corset back. I don't know if you caught that on the spin. It does have a corset back. Sorry, my hair is, I didn't feel like getting all super dolled up. We'll do that another day. But it does have a corset back, and it's not super corseted tight. It could go a little tighter, but overall, I got in it without struggling. Like, I got in it and didn't even bring the zipper all the way down. I put the zipper to right here. It goes a little further down, but I put it to here, and I didn't struggle getting in it. So, I love it. Oh my god. And I don't look like I died. Because there's a certain blue that if I put that blue on, I look like I died. I look literally like I'm dead. But I don't look like that in it. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh my god. This is the happiest I've been in months. Literally in months. I bought a Selkie dress. And I wasn't that, like, I was happy with that dress. I'm not nearly as happy in that dress as I am in this. Oh my god. This was 200 and something plus ass dollars that I would definitely go through all the rigmarole I went through to get this again. Because this, my friends, is goddamn fabulous. And I can't. Like I told them on TikTok, when I was talking about this on TikTok, I was like, but I'm going to look fly though. Bitch, I look fly as fuck right now. Oh my god, wait till I do my hair and like makeup and all that good shit. Bitch, it's going to be gorgeous. She's going to be super damn gorgeous, and people will be like, well damn, she is full of confidence. I know, right? Because when you look this fucking cute, who can tell you anything? Who can say anything to you when you are this hyper magnitude of adorable? No one. No one. So, oh my god, I don't know when I'm gonna take this off. It's comfortable. On top of everything, this has got the audacity to be comfortable. Like, I'm sure it's like 11 billion degrees outside right now. I know I would burst into flames should I, attempt to step outdoors in this. But since I'm in an air-conditioned space, it is super comfortable. If it wasn't for the fact that I had to make arancini, which is, I made risotto on Sunday, and you just fry up risotto. You bread the risotto, fry it up, and, like, you put cheese in the center, because that's what's going to be for dinner tonight. If it wasn't for the fact that I was making arancini tonight, I would be cooking wearing this. Just like, do-do-do. But I don't want to get anything in this. This is brand damn new, and, oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. Like I said, I haven't been this happy in months. I have not been this happy in months. Oh, it's amazing. One dress, one lone damn dress can bring me this much just elation. I'm over the damn moon. I haven't been this fucking happy in months. Oh my god. All I needed was like the right Lolita dress, and like it's just like the sun's shining again. Like everything in the world kind of sort of makes sense except being in the fuckery timeline. I feel like a damn queen. I can't. So, and it came with a super spiffy dress bag. I love it when they come with a dress bag. And this folded, like it folds and stuff. Oh my god, I love when a Lolita dress comes with a dress bag, because like the only other one that came with it, I have now 3 that came in a dress bag. I have this, the, what's that joint called, the not the Kingdom of the Fairies, it was like Butterfly Princess. Nino's Butterfly Princess came with a dress bag, and the Coloris Wedding from Elle Press, that came with a dress bag. So I love it when Lolita comes with dress. All Lolita should come in a dress bag. But even if it's not like, this I guess would be considered over the top sweet. But, or is it Princess Lolita? I'm out of fucking sorts. I am my toe in the Lolita for a minute, but I bought this. This was money well spent. Like, I don't know what the fuck to tell anybody. And it says Mademoiselle Pearl right here. This was money well spent. I'm not even going to front. So, I'm talking in circles. I'm repeating myself. So let me get the fuck out of here and enjoy myself and twirl around in my damn dress while nobody's looking. So that is all I have. And I'm glad I came back on something that I was happy because, again, I haven't been this damn happy in months. So I'm glad I was able to share my joy with people instead of like, oh my God, I'm an old lady. I am an old lady, but I'm a fly as fuck old lady right now. Look at these sleeves. Look at this. Look at this quality and crisp. Like, look at this lace. Do you see this? Do you see these princess damn sleeves? Do you see these bows? Do you see the bling on here? Be fucking for real now. Don't come in here and be like, no, you not cute, bitch. Yes, the fuck I am cute. So, again, talking in circles. So I'm glad I've got to share something happy with everybody this time instead of just Depressionville. So that is all I have. And I will post pictures probably most likely on stupid ass Instagram. And I'm also on Pixel too. If you can spell Achan Noichi, you can find me. You can literally find me all over the internet if you know how to spell Achan Noichi. So, but yeah, you can find me anywhere. If you can spell Achan Noichi, you can find me anywhere. But I'm glad I was able to share something so gorgeous. Oh my God. Look at this lace. Look at this. Look at the bling. And I will see y'all at another point. Okay? Later.